Ikaw anak, ano ang love language mo?
Words of affirmation.
Oh, I love you my son and thank you for always trying your best.
I love you too, Mom, but what's also your love language?
Oh, acts of service.
Okay, let me get you a glass of water.
It's important to know the love language of your child, your spouse, or your partner because it helps you to connect well with one another. When you know how someone likes to be loved, then you can show them affection in a way na maiintindihan nila. So kung gusto nila ang quality time, edi itago mo ang phone mo, then spend time together. Pero dapat ipaalam mo rin sa kanila kung ano ang love language mo para yun ang gagawin nila para sa'yo. For example, if you value physical touch, edi kung alam nila to, mas marami pa silang mabibigay sa'yo na physical affection. Knowing each other's love language can lead to a better connection in your relationship. Kayo, ano ba ang love language nyo? Pa-share naman in the comments below.